So it's morning. I don't want to sound weird, but I gotta be quiet because it's still 6:32 right now in the morning, and yeah. So for most of this, you'll probably see points of me going in and out of reading the script that I'm going to be working on. But first, let's talk about this copyright claim for the video that I did yesterday, and the premise of why reactions kind of died on this channel. Although a lot of people, thousands of people, watch the reactions over and over again. I probably have some of you guys that are in here now that have watched the reactions. It's due to this. And when this happens, this copyright claim stuff, the monetization gets taken away. And so it wasn't worth it making all that content and all these videos just for it to be removed. So I hope whoever's watching right now, I hope you guys are having a good morning or a good afternoon. This is the land of Dez. I'm showing you my coding journey as I'm learning. So if you don't know, FreeCodeCamp is a free software development course. And with this course, you are able to learn basically how to code. And then it gets you to the point where you can set up things where you can be job ready to make that change into the career of tech. So what's cool here is, of course, you want to be able to figure this stuff out on your own. But I don't think there's a video of someone figuring it out on their own. Maybe there is. I don't know. But if you do copy my stuff verbatim, make sure you reverse engineer or reverse learn what it took to get to that problem solving. So we're going to hit up 13 because we didn't do it. That confused me. And then we're going to see how much we can do within the allotted time we have. And then we're going to be back in the afternoon. So let's get started. So this is kind of going back because we did everything going forward right here. You see this. This is what we did yesterday. But it's not showing up because that's not what we did. So we got to do step 13. Feel free to chat if you're in here. Say what's up. Say hello. And if you want to help me out, you can always donate by dropping some donation to give me coffee, because this morning I just got water. Step 13. Now that you turn the text cat photos inside the P element into a link, which we did right here, and if you click this, it's a link. You don't need the second link below the P element. Delete the entire anchor element below the P element. Okay. So I feel like I just gotta delete this. Boom. Whoa. Okay. Wow, that hurt me so much. Okay, next challenge. Submit. Oh, become a monthly supporter. I'll do that later. Okay, let's go to back to the menu. Back to curriculum. 24. Why didn't the ultra low latency go on? That's weird. Alright, now we're back to what we started off yesterday. Alright, step 24. A fig caption element is used to add a caption to describe the image contained within the figure element. For example, fig caption, a cute cat, / fig caption adds a caption, a cute cat, after the image nest in the figure element. Add a fig caption element with the text set to cats love lasagna. Alright, so let's see. I think this should be up like that. And then we're gonna do like this, because we practiced this a little bit yesterday. We're gonna put a fig caption. We're gonna put a cute cat. See, it's already starting to pop up. Wait, no. We don't want to put a cute cat. We want to put cats love lasagna. Oh. Yeah. Cats love lasagna. And yeah, like that. And then I think that's what you do. Wait, hold on, let me see. Should be nested. So it's nested, so probably have to do another figure. Try that. No, that didn't work. Okay, so let me try this. I want to try taking this code, copying it, deleting it, putting it right here. See if that works. Yeah, there we go. We got it. Yeah, it's supposed to go there. I don't know if I did this last time or if it's like popping up from here into the code and you got to work in between. I think that's what's going on here. But we got it. So here we go. We're going to move on. Step 25. Emphasize the word love in the fig caption element by wrapping it in emphasis element. Do I do something like this in EM? I don't know if that did anything. Syntax name. Okay, maybe. Yes. But that might have did that. Use that slash just after that in the closing tag. There was emphasis on it, so let me try this. No, that did not work. I got somewhere. Hold on. Nope. Let me try this. EM. Is that something I did? Did it just to the lasagna. Alright, you can kind of see the emphasis do you get it to just do it to the word love? Let me go and see what it suggests. Your emphasis should have a closing tag. Oh. Oh, I know. Huh, now I'm starting to figure this out. What am I doing here? Yeah, boom. Look at that. Okay, see, we closed it out. Okay, so we had an emphasis on the love, and then we closed it. And then boom, here we go. What? Your emphasis should surround the text. Okay, so it needs no spaces. Okay. Yes. All right, cool. I know this might be so simple to some people, but it's actually pretty satisfying. Okay, let's go on. So you saw what would happen there in the trial and error that we had. So we needed to put the element. It made an effect on the element, and then we needed to close it out, and then we needed to space it together. Okay, cool. All right. Step 26. After the figure element, add another H3 element with the text. Top 3 things cats hate. What are top 3 things cats hate? Cucumbers. Add a figure element. Okay, so did it just put another figure element? So do we have to after the figure element? Okay, so it's after this one. Okay, so we know it's gonna be fig caption. Okay, so we got a fig caption. Top 3 things cats hate. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's not what we need to do. We need to put an H3 like this. Okay. No. So I was thinking I had to do the same thing I just did before. So an H3 is a header. Yep. We're going to change this up. Yeah, there we go. See, it made it bold. Beautiful. All right, cool. Let's see if that did it. Congratulations, your code passed. So you see what we did? We put an H3 element. We opened it, put what we needed inside the element, and we closed it. Okay, cool. All right. Step 27, the code for an order list. OL is similar to an unordered list, but the items in an ordered list are numbered when displayed. After the second section elements, last H3 element, add an ordered list with these 3 list items: flea treatment, thunder, and other cats. That's the thing my cats hate. So, but the items in the ordered list are numbered when they are displayed. So, let me see if we'll take the same terminology here of what's going on here. Okay, it's not numbered though. After the section element, add an order. Okay, hold on. So let's see. Now we gotta figure this out. After the second section elements. Last H3 element. Add an ordered list with these items. But the item lists in order are numbered when displayed. I mean, I could put the number, but I don't know if that like messes it up like this, like flea treatment. I don't know if that makes it mad, you know? I'm not sure. Like 2 thunder 3. I'm probably doing it wrong, but we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, I'm probably doing it wrong. It should probably be appearing on its own, like animating it. Let's see. Let's try to close this out and see what happens. I'm sure it's not gonna work. Yeah. The 3 Li elements should be nested inside. Okay. So hold on. We need to put that type of element. See what that did. Oh, that put in number 1. Okay. Let's get rid of the numbers because that put in number 1. Now see, that didn't tell me anything as far. Now do I have to like close each one out, or do I have to make another one? See what that does. Beautiful. I don't have to close it out yet. Okay, cool. All right, got this. Okay, and it stacked it. It stacks. And then do I close this out? Let me see if I close this out. And if that works. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. We're getting somewhere. Let's do this thing. All right. So let's explain what we just did. Okay. So we added the owl. We added the owl element under our H3 header here. And then we stacked these things up. We put the Li to get the numbers. I don't know if there's any other better way of saying these things into our owl statement. And then we closed the Li numbers, and then we close that. So it's like open, put the elements inside and whatever elements you're doing with it, and then close the door at the end. Okay, cool. I got that. All right. Add the order list, another figure element. After the order list, add another figure element. Yeah, sure. I could do that. Yeah, just like that. What? Oh. So wait, do I just have to like close it too? Like that? Alright, cool. We opened it, we closed it. I don't know what that was for though. That's I wish there was a little more context there. I don't know why I did that. Maybe this is why. Because there's my code right here, and okay, yeah, this is why. Okay, step 29. Inside the figure element you just added, nest the image. Okay, yep, okay, good. So we're gonna go and we're gonna put an image. Okay, so before looking at our code, right here we put this image of a slice of lasagna on a plate, which is right here. So let's do that. So, wow, I feel like I already know coding a little bit of it, and this is like day 2, so I'm feeling sort of confident. Okay, and then let's get this. This is actually a really good program. I really like this so far. Yeah, and then we just need an image. So yeah, we don't need any attributes set to it. Okay. There we go. We just put an image right in between our figure element. Let's go. Now, here's the thing. Having this is a nice tool. Remembering it is, I'm probably going to have difficulties with. Step 30. To improve accessibility of the image you added, add an alt attribute with the text. Okay. Yeah, so see, we needed to add the alt attribute, but we just didn't know what the alt attribute was going to be. So the alt attribute is right here. Alt equals whatever in parentheses. Alt equals 5 cats looking around. If I could spell. Flared. A flared. Okay. And then we need to kind of close that out. Yeah. Oh, yep, I spelled that wrong. That's not how you spell 5. Should have an alt attribute. Oh. Why didn't that jingle? Okay, that's why. And I closed that out. The image needed that. Okay. Perfect. And then I closed it out right here. Congratulations. Your code passes. Cool. So, it's within it. 5 cats looking around a field. Okay. Step 31. After the last image element, add a fig caption element with the text. Cats hate other cats. Wow. That's sad. Cats hate other cats. Yeah, so let's add that fig caption. Yeah, what's up? What kind of bagel? What kind of creamer? The bestest kind of creamer. I'm really getting this stuff. Yeah, although I feel like it's the easiest stuff for HTML coding, but I'm like, it's clicking. Second day and it's clicking. I have like people coming in and out. Like there's no one writing. I think it's too quiet for people to write, but yeah, like lo-fi, like study music. It's cool. It's melodic. Thanks. Alright, Mrs. was just asking what type of creamer I would like for my coffee. We're making coffees at home. Deciding we need to just start doing that. And maybe I'll get an espresso machine. I think that's what I need to do, is get an espresso machine, honestly. Okay, let's see if that worked. Yes, that worked. We put a fig caption. Cats hate other cats, which is down here below. and we close out the fig caption under on top of the figure. So let's go. If you guys just joined, what's up? This is the land of Dez, and we're learning coding. If this is your wheelhouse, feel free to jump in the text, say hi, what's up? Step 32. The strong element is used to indicate that some text is of strong importance or urgent. The fig caption you just added indicated that hate is of strong importance by wrapping it in a strong element. Okay, is there any abbreviation for strong elements? Or do you just like type strong? Oh, let's see what that did. It let's close that out. Oh, strong, bold. Should have known. All right, let's close that out. /strong. Close that out. So cats hate other cats with a bold. Okay. And then, oh, this is my mistake last time. I put spaces and we need to wrap it around the element. So we put a strong element and then we have hate and then we close it out and that makes it bold. Cool. Let's try it. Yep, I passed it. Here we go. We're going. Going, baby. All right, let's scroll down because everything's kind of like down here. All right. Let's see. Step 33. It's time to add a new section. Add a third section element below the second section element. I feel like I just know what's going on now. Beautiful. So we added the section element. So I feel like now this is kind of like it's making sense to what things are in the sense. So inside the third section element, add an H2 element with the text. Okay. So we'll add an H2. Cat form. Then we'll close that H2 element. Oh. And boom. Congratulations, your code passes. I don't see where the cat form is. But this is a pretty website with cats so far. Step 35, now you will add a web form to collect information from users. After the cat form heading, add a form element. Where's the cat form at? Okay, so we're gonna add a form element. Oh, this is getting awesome. I like this so far. Till it gets confusing again, then it's gonna rack my brain. And now I'm like, okay, I get this. Okay, step 36, the action attribute indicates where form data should be sent. For example, form action equals submit URL. Form tells the browser that the form data should be sent to the path / submit URL. So this is telling the browser that the form data should be equaled and submitted to submit URL form. Add an attribute with the value of the FreeCodeCamp cat photo to form the element. So let's do that and see if this works. Okay. So we're going to do a form action equal / submit URL. Okay. I'm gonna I don't know / form. Close that out, and then add an action attribute with the value. So, oh no, that was an example. This is the form element. So that was an example. So we gotta take this and copy it. I'm sure everybody did that. That's what we need to do. So this was the example. We needed to take this submit URL. This is the action we wanted, and then we close that out. Let's go for it. What? Okay. The form doesn't have an action. Maybe because I did this. Your form element does not have an action attribute. Okay, now this is where it's stumping me. Okay, I think I gotta figure this out. There was already a form element. The form element was already there. So I gotta take that away. And then, how do I do that? Nope. The action element went away. Okay, let me bring this here. Oh, okay, what just happened? Oh, it's open. There we go. Boom. Okay, so basically what just happened is I kind of like did doubles of the opening of the form element, and then I had to take away the closing bracket to actually get this, to activate this action element. And we are getting our cat form set up. That was a sick cat. Do you guys own cats at home? Let me know. All right, let me since it's getting brighter, let me turn up my lights a little bit. There we go. We started at night, guys, and now it's a daytime. Beautiful. Let's go. All right. Step 37. The input element allows you several ways to collect data from a web form, like image elements. Input elements are self-closing and do not need closing tags. Oh, really? Nest an input element in the form element. So, they don't need closing tags. So, like, I don't need to do that. Well, that just changed. They're self-closing, don't need closing tags, and that's it. So, just like this. So I could do that. Hold on, let me see. Yeah. Yep, that worked. Because image elements are self-closing. I don't see what that did to my page, but we'll find out. Okay. So we didn't close that one out. Step 38. There are many kinds of inputs you can create using the type attribute. You can easily create a password field, reset button, or a control to let users select a file from their computer. Create a text field to get text into from a user by adding the type attribute with the value text to the input element. Okay. So let's see what this is going to do. So we're going to do a type value, and then wait, how do I do attribute? I forgot. Do text with the value. It's alt. That's what does it, but we need to open that, keep that open. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I just gotta go right back into my code that I already did. And then put text. And then close that out. And then we're gonna close the type out. Like this. See what that does. Sorry, your code does not pass. Keep trying. Your form element should only contain the input element. Remove any extra HTML elements or text between the form's tags. Okay, so maybe this. Maybe we just gotta get rid of this and then keep it like that. What did it do? I don't see. I feel like it did something, but you have either deleted your input element or has an invalid syntax. Alright, maybe like that. Your input element does not have a type attribute. Well, this is what I did. Maybe this. Your form should not only contain the input element. Remove extra HTML. Oh, like that. Let's try that. Here's the box. Alright, so let's scroll up because anytime I added a alt text to something, like use something to close it. So maybe if I go like that, and then figure like I close it out like that. No, that's not working either. I get rid of the form altogether. We did have a form bar. Yeah. Wait, me? Alright. I'm gonna be back real quick. Hold up. Alright, I am back. Turn my camera back on. Alright. Let's see, where were we? We are trying to do the type alt text box here. Create a text field to get text from a user by adding text attribute or type attribute with a value. My thing is why can't I close it? So when in doubt, we're gonna go try to figure out what the answer is. I'm gonna go to the forms. Let's see what happened here. Laser pointers. I ain't even got the cat. Wait. Yeah, I did. Okay. Click here to view more cat photos. Here's the cat form. Strong hate. Okay, I think. Five cats looking around a field. Cat form. Form action. Okay, hi there. If we started at step 38, it asks to give the input attribute. If you have looked at your code below, you'll see that there's a lot that could be deleted after the formication and input. The A minus and the P element, while the input, not any attribute at all. There should be something like type equals text inside the input tag. Link to answered. Input type equals text. So what we have is like type equals alt text, but I think like, is that what it does? Like, is it its own thing? And then close it out. HTML hyperlink. Word language. Link to the answer. Is that it right there? The form is still there though. Maybe we need to close it. Wait, your input does not have a type attribute. So let's see what happens if we close that. I don't just want the answer though. Let's see. Input type text. Required. Oh, I know I did it wrong. I know I did. This stuff is supposed to go. Whoa, what did I just do? I went into the site's coding itself. That was far out. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. We needed to put it in here. Just like this. It needed to be type like that equals text, right? Quotation. Yep. Sometimes it's like, literally I feel like either it's missing something or like it's staring me right in the face. It's like, no, put it inside the input. Sometimes I look at the input, I'm like, oh, that's its own thing. I gotta make the beginning part to that input, but yeah, the input's right there. So it's funny because testing your knowledge of things that you think you knew and then flipping it into something more knowledgeable. Okay, moving on. Step 39. What step did we begin with today? Because I'd like to mark these down in a video. What I would really like to do is actually like get these videos like chopped up, so you don't have to spend a whole hour or two going over this. You just watch it real quick and be like, boom, that's what this guy did. But then again, I don't know if that's conducive to learning or if that will help. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I'll do that or not. Step 39. In order for a form data to be assessed by the location specified in the action attribute, you must give the text field a name attribute and assign it a value to represent the data being submitted. For example, you could use the following syntax for an email address text field. Input type equals text name, just like how we just saw right here. I believe text name, right? I think. Okay, well, let's see. Yeah, that looks it. Add the name attribute with the value cat photo URL to your text field. Okay, so we're gonna go and put it inside instead of trying to make a new line of code. This is cool because it only puts one line, so it's like just do it in this line. So let's put a name. Name equals parentheses cat photo URL, and then boom, we're done. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Placeholder text is used to give people a hint about what kind of information to enter into a input. For example, input type equals text placeholder equals, so the placeholder's email address. Add a placeholder text cat photo URL to your input text. So we're gonna put a placeholder. Placeholder cat photo URL. And that should do it for that. Congratulations, it passed. Sweet. Next step. All right, step 41. To prevent a user from submitting your form when required information is missing, you need to add the required attribute to an input element. There's no need to set a value to required attribute. Instead, just add the word required to the input element, making sure that there's a space between it and the other attributes. Okay, so do we just put required and that's it? Yeah, cool. That works. So these things are required. You ain't gonna get into our cat form unless you put these things in. This is our cat form. Okay. Step 42. Use the button element to create a clickable button. Click. For example, button, click here, close the button out. Creates a button with a text saying click here. Sweet. Okay. Add a button element with the text submit. Oh. Okay, that was for example. See, tripping you up. Don't just copy and paste. Submit below input element. The default behavior of clicking a form button without any attributes submits the form to the location specified in the form's action attribute. So the form's action attribute was here. So we are going to put a button. We're going to make a button. And we're going to have it say submit. And is there a button showing up? Yes. Yay. Okay, cool. Things pop up when I type it. Then we're going to close it. Then we're going to say, yay, you made a button. You made a button. All right, let's go. All right, step 43. Even though you added your button below text input, they appear next to the other page. That's because both input and button elements are inline elements, which do not appear on new lines. The button you added will submit the form by default. However, relying on default behavior may cause confusion. Add the type attribute with the value submit to the button to make it clear that it's a submit button. Okay. So we need to add a type attribute. And I believe we just did that. We just did that. Oh man. How did I just do that? Do we add it within it? Like, I'm pretty sure, but like at the end of it? I don't know. No, that doesn't work. I don't think type attribute with the value at the type attribute. Wait, hold on. Let's go back to our type equals. But there's no button on here. So let's add it right here. And then all equals submit, maybe. I hope that's it. Your button does not have a type attribute check. That there is. Let me. Oh. Got it. It's input. That's the attribute. Whoa. What did I just do? I just double layered it. Let's see what it says. Your button does not have a type attribute. We doubled it. Let's do this. Oh, I know. I think I know. Let's get rid of this. Let's do. Wow. Okay. That took away the button. Let's do this. Let's put submit back there. And just add it to the end. Oh, okay. Maybe this works. Input type. Submit. I did it 2 times. Two buttons. Double buttons. It's a nice slice of lasagna. But I can't think about eating cats. I mean, eating lasagna with eating cats. Oh my gosh. Eating lasagna with cats around. Huh? Personal? Garfield. Yeah, I know. It's all about Garfield. It's Garfield in a nutshell. All right, when in doubt, go to the forums. And the type attribute of the value. Submit to the button. That's what I thought I did, though. Maybe I just need to get rid of this. Wait a second. What just happened? What? Did it just kick me back? What step was that? Hold on. Step 43. Now I'm 44. Wait a second. Did I get it? Totally confused on that. Hold up. Did I? Wait. Even though you added your button below the text input, they appear right next to each other. That's because both input button and elements are inline elements, which don't appear. Why did? Okay, hold on. We're back here because that just skipped to 44. Maybe it's saying we're spending too much time on this one. I'm gonna try that again. See if that works. What? Let's go. Wait. That's weird. Where is it? It says it passed, but I don't see the yeah. That confused me. I don't know if it passed or not. I guess one of those things. But it says it passed, so I'm gonna go for it. Step 44, you can use radio buttons for questions where you want only one answer out of multiple options. Here's an example of a radio button with the option of cat, input type equal radio cat. Remember that input elements are self-closing. Before the text input, add a radio button with the option set as indoor. Alright. How do I change the option? so let's try this. So we're gonna do an input type equal radia. Close it out and then put indoor. Oh, yeah, put a little bubble thing right here. Okay, and they're self-closing, so I don't think I need to put anything else. Cool. Nice, I got that. Let's move on. Moving on. Alright, step 45. Label elements are used to help associate the text for an input element with the input element itself, especially for sensitive technologies like screen readers. For example, label input type radio cat label makes it so clicking the word cat also selects the corresponding radio button. A little confusing, but hopefully I'll get it. So let's see what this does if we just add a label. What did that do? So it's saying it's used to help associate the text for the input element with the label. Okay, so let's see if that works. Now your label element should have an open-end tag. Nest your radio button inside your label element. Okay. Maybe the whole thing is a button, so let me just add a label. Spelling this wrong. Let's see. Oh, sweet. We did it. What did it do? I don't know. But we figured it out. Step 46. The ID attribute is used to identify specific HTML elements. Each ID attribute value must be unique from all other ID values for the entire page. Add an ID attribute with the value indoor to the radio button. When the elements have multiple attributes, the order of the attributes doesn't matter. Okay, so we are going to add an ID attribute with the value indoor inside the radio button. Then we just do that? Let me see if I can start here and see what this does. ID. That took that away. See if that works. Your radio button should have an ID attribute. Check that there is a space after the opening tag. Just copy this from here, delete it, and then try it like this. Your radio button still should be located between the opening of the label tag. Okay, so that didn't work. My phone has 2%. Yes, sir. I mean, please. I think we're going to figure out this last one, and then we're going to head out until the afternoon. This one's a good one. This one's racking my brain. Let's see. Let's go get some help. And see what to do about this ID attribute. Oh, he put his little kitty cat photo thing right there. Okay. He's got the idea. Oh, ID indoor. Just like that? Oh. Okay, maybe that is what it is. Like just an ID and then equal indoor. Yeah, that did it. But what did it do here? Let's figure out what just happened here. Because I just saw this right here. And I just added that. He got confused because, I don't know, maybe the way he just did it. Nonetheless, we got it. That ID attribute. So the attribute's like a type attribute. So ID equal, wait, why? I didn't even put it in parentheses. And it let me go. Hold up. So did that do anything? That's weird. Hold on. Is this thing just like, let me slide? Because I don't like that. That will not be good. That would not be conducive to learning. So let's see. So that says that passes. But I don't see what that did. But anyways, we put the ID element, just like a type element, right inside inside this what is it called? Radio button thing. So it did let me progress to step 47. I can't see what happened from here. Oh, it's going down below over here. Yeah. Plug it out there. I'm gonna end. All right, guys. Well, that's it for anyone who watched. Thank you. Please, do all that YouTube stuff. If you like, donate to the cause of me learning this, for a new career change. Please donate a coffee if you can. If you have any tips, tricks, suggestions. You're watching me code from the ground up. We will be back. I'm saying maybe around 2:00. We'll be back, and then we'll continue some more of this kitty cat curriculum here. Yeah, we're almost done with this block. So what did we start from? Like 26. We blew past 13. So we're gonna go and we're gonna finish these up right here. Hopefully we'll finish this today. Yesterday it just took me a while to get set up, and we just did 2 blocks, and today we crushed it. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. So guys, thank you so much. I will see you guys on the flippity flop. Peace.